Hello, I wanted to give a brief demonstration of one of the lessons that can be done with the Nearpod. This one is about South Africa, and it starts off with giving you ideas on how you can use this lesson. So you'll have to click here. My computer is slow. Okay, so here it kind of gives you what it's about, some recommendations. And then what I also like is that it gives you, if you would like, you can print these out so kids can write on them during the lesson. And it also differentiates the lesson by having some do the activity that they're going to be doing will be done with a Venn diagram, or for the upper grade levels, it's going to be a writing prompt. So let me now show you the actual lesson. So it starts off with some essential questions. And then these are the learning objectives. And then here it lets them brainstorm about their background knowledge they have about South Africa. And here they can either draw pictures, do symbols, write sentences. And so here's like for if they want to draw. This one is actual text box, so they can, write in it. So after their brainstorming, they get started on the actual field trip. So there's going to be 4 different field trips. This is one, and it does go all the way around 360, and it's going to show, the city. And if it keeps going, you'll see that the city's next to the ocean. There's the mountains. So the kids are comparing their country to the country of South Africa. This is another virtual field trip. And again, it'll go all the way around. My computer is slow. This is the 3rd virtual field trip. And here they are near the ocean, and my screen should clear up. Those are penguins. And again, they can explore through there. And while they're doing these virtual tours, again, like I showed you in the beginning, they're going to have their sheet of paper to write down their observations, and on one side there are any questions they have while they're exploring. This is the last virtual field trip. Okay, again, it's going to go all the way around. Now, here it also gives them an opportunity to write down their observations and questions in the actual Nearpod lesson. And then here it's now it's giving them some extra facts about South Africa. Okay, my computer. So here's where they would have given facts. I also like that it includes open-ended questions. So what is the most interesting fact you learn about South Africa? And here they would type in there. And there's also a Venn diagram. Again, you can use this with the younger students or the older students. You could differentiate. Oh, another thing is I like that you can edit these lessons. So again, you could just put a text box and type whatever you want. The kids will know how to move this over. So they're comparing their country to South Africa. And here's a multiple choice that the teacher later can go and see what they'll get, instant feedback. And that was a demonstration of how to use a lesson within Nearpod.